Hi, it's Larry Gaines from Options on the Open. I wanted to give you kind of an introduction or summary of the power cycle trading model and system, and then also take you through and show you where the markets currently are and where they're potentially headed. So let me just start off by giving you kind of an introduction of the power cycle and how we use this for our trading at Options on the Open. First, I'd like to say that 90% of trading success is determined by mental and emotional control. If you're not in control of your emotions, you are doomed as a trader. So the market does not care how you feel about it. It just does not care at all about your emotions. So keep the emotions out. To be a successful trader, it's your job to discover what the markets think and then put yourself in alignment with it. And that's when the magic of your trading starts to happen. Now, this is not difficult once you have the tools to use. By having a proven system or day trading system that is highly accurate, it will take the emotions out of your trading, and you will start to then experience consistent profits and ongoing trading success. Now, the system that I've developed for our trading, it's a simple 4-step cycle trading system, and I currently have a patent pending on it. But what this system does, it identifies with pinpoint accuracy intraday price trends, and then gives an entry trigger that gets you in at the very beginning of a new intraday trend or a trend periods, because this system can be used across all time frames. The system makes day trading mechanical and easy, taking the guessing out of your trading. You'll quickly start having more winning trades with bigger profits and very few losses. It takes a lot of the stress out of your trading. It will pinpoint an intraday market move before it takes off in any asset class that is tradable based on real-time market data and liquidity. And I'd just like to show you something. I just received this email yesterday from one of my members, and this is what he had to say about our trading system. I just received this from Lyle, who lives down in Miami, and this is what Lyle had to say. I've dabbled in the stock market for 20 years, trading options for 5 years, and learning to day trade options since I signed up for Larry's course at Options on the Open this past June. It was tough going at first, breaking old habits, but watching Larry apply his technical analysis and trading strategies, buy and sell, with such conviction and success intrigued me. I did more research, asked Larry many questions, and eventually it all came together. Larry even provided tidbits of trading philosophy or psychology and taught me trading rules that he applied over the years. Now I combine my programming skills to technical analysis that I learned from Larry to remove all emotion and second guessing away from my trading. So Lyle, he's a computer IT guy, and he's a programmer, and that's what he's been doing for the past 25 years. And he's retired and started trading. Now he's taking this power cycle trading system and he's totally automated it, and it takes all the emotion out of the trading. So this is how mechanical this system is. It's just a complete rule-based system that shows you precise entries, where to get in as the cycle's starting to change the upside or downside. And as per what Lyle did, it's now automated for him. And so I thought I'd point that out, because you need a really strict rule-based system that will take the noise of the market out of it. And we've been in such a volatile type of market that it really pays to have that type of system to work with. Now, last week in a short video, I went over how the systems are used, and I thought I'd just go back through this real quick to show you how the power cycle systems are used. We use a method called top-down market technical analysis, and we use the system in this analysis. This method of analysis allows traders or investors to analyze the market from a macro big picture all the way down to the short-term intraday trading or day trading that we do at Options on the Open. There are 5 time frames used for this analysis, and the first time frame is the macro market trend, and this is measured by a monthly time frame. The next second is the long-term market trend measured by weekly time frame. Then the medium-term market trend measured by daily, the intermediate market term trend measured by hourly, and then the short-term trend, which we will measure by minutes and tick charts. In my last video, I went through this top-down analysis, and really not much has changed since the last week's update. The macro cycle trend is still down, and here's based on a monthly chart. So you can see here, this is when the power cycle trading model actually went to the short on the cycle, moving down on a long-term basis or a macro basis. So we've had this huge move down and now a bounce back up to this descending trend line. But it's still in a downtrend, but it's given us an alert that the trend may be shifting to the upside on a macro term, but currently it's still down. The long-term trend based on our system and as measured by a weekly chart or weekly time frame is still up. So you can see that this is when the system cycle changed to the upside. This came early October. Now the medium-term trend, it's also still up, and the cycle trend shifted to the upside here around October 28th, right about here. You can see the other times we had a cycle change trend on the medium term back in late October, early November, and here's another trend cycle change to the upside that came back in early October, and that's on a medium term cycle. The intermediate cycle trend is currently down, and this is measured as per a 240-minute time frame, and you can see the cycle trend cycling down from this point here back around November 17th, and we had a cycle change back to the upside on November 28th, and then a cycle change trend back down to the downside on the 8th of December. The current short-term cycle trend that is up as per using a 5-minute chart, but you can see that this past Friday we had the sharp move up and then it just kind of moved sideways, but it is up and currently sideways. Now, after going through all those different time frames from the top-down analysis, let's just go back to a daily chart of the SPY. And as you can see, it's currently, after all that movement up and down, it's just been in a sideways pattern and really has not made any new gains. It's being held back here at resistance right here. This brown line is the 200-day moving average, so it's back up to that 200-day. Butting against that is resistance. You've got this descending trend line which comes in about 126.5, 127. So you've got some formidable resistance here. However, you've got some good support right here at 124. So our power cycle model has the market on all time frames except for the macro trend up. But some of these cycles are starting to get a little bit toppy and heavy, so this coming week will be very key to see if this 200-day moving average can be broken. Now there's plenty of room to the upside. We're not really that overbought, and you can tell that by using a Bollinger Band. This is the top of a Bollinger Band. Here's the top of the Bollinger Band. We're pretty much in the upper half of this, so the cycle looks like it potentially could move higher. So we'll see how things progress this coming week. And if you'd like to learn more about the power cycle trading models and how we trade at Options on the Open, please come join us at optionsontheopen.com, and thank you for your time.